Hi my beautiful people, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful unique new all pixie haircut, shaggy haircuts, blue tinted silvers, pixie bob haircut designs, and you will see the stylish most beautiful unique new all best videos unique new short two tone Bronte Pixie haircuts, unique new brown hair colors, and unique new all best pixie haircut designs, ideas, modern, unique new all best videos, and best pixie bob haircuts, template undercut designs. And unique new all best patterns, unique new all best patterns, how much beautiful, unique new all attractive and stylish, best long with short bob haircuts and outstanding unique new best long with short bob haircuts and pixie haircut designs, and 2020 unique new modern and outstanding unique new all best stylish 2020 unique new modern and outstanding all long shaggy blonde uh, Blakey Pixie haircuts designs, unique new all best collections, unique new best long with short bob haircuts and pixie haircut designs, ideas 2020 unique new all best patterns in unique new best long with short bob haircuts, 2020 unique new all collections and most beautiful unique new all best patterns, adorable unique new all collections, and 2020 unique new all best black fitted textured pixie haircut designs, in 2020 unique new all best collections, unique new best long with short bob haircuts and dye lightweight hair colors ideas. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, and you will never miss any video or collections, and you will see the stylish most beautiful unique new all best patterns and adorable unique new all best long with short bob pixie haircuts, 2020 unique new all collections and most beautiful unique new all best patterns, and you will see the stylish unique new all best videos, how much beautiful unique new upcoming and stylish best collections and unique new best long with short bob haircuts and textured pixie haircuts and hair color designs, adorable unique new all collections and most beautiful unique new all best pixie haircut, short hairs with long bob haircut designs, ideas, and asymmetrical pixie haircut designs. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, and you will never miss any video on collections, and you will see the stylish unique new outstanding and 2020 upcoming and unique new all collections and most beautiful and outstanding unique new all best long with short bob haircuts and